A very good morning to all Vivites. A good morning to all the Vivites again. It's a fabulous Monday, and I'm back with this wonderful Ask the Doctor Facebook Live series. A very good morning to everybody. So, today is a fabulous Monday, and this is the iPulse day again. A very good morning, Miss Aarti Devi. A good morning, Mr. Rudresh Satyendra, Ms. Charu Gupta, Koteshwar Rao, Ms. Deepthi, Mr. Puneet, Mr. Rupesh, Mr. Suman. A very good morning, Miss Isha, Ramakrishna Garu. A very good morning, Mr. Suvarna Rangaya, Kiran Kumar, Bhushan Shastri, Jafar Ali. A very good morning, Mr. Vijesh, Mr. Prishu Kumar, Mr. Twix, Liza, Hariprasad, Abhishek, Kalam Charla, Miss Asha. A very good morning, Ramasamy Pandian, Mr. Harish Kumar, Sajida Sheikh, Arun Jyoti, Simi. A very good morning, Mani Prasad, Puneet Segal, Mr. Sajida, Rakshit. A very good morning, Charvi, Sunil Kumar. A very good morning to all the enthusiastic Vivites. A very good morning, Jitendra ji, Sunil Kumar, Roshan Prakash, Vijesh Kumar, Mr. Karthikeyan, Mr. Ajit, Mr. Rakesh. A very good morning, Asif Patel. A very good morning, Priya Shivaram. A very good morning, Gopal Krishnan, Sonika, Sachin. A very good morning, Neelima, Mohan Krishna, Bablu Kumar, Mr. Sachin, Miss Vandana. A good morning, Nirmala, Gopal, Himabindu. A very good morning to all the enthusiastic Vivites. I hope everybody is enthusiastically watching this wonderful Facebook Live Ask the Doctor series, which has been over a month now, and it is getting a very good response. And we really appreciate your queries, and we are also very happy to answer your wonderful queries as well, my dear friends. Well, as I told you, this is a continuous Facebook Live series called Ask the Doctor. Well, if someone is not able to watch this, again, I want to repeat this as a general protocol. Please do share the link on your watch parties or on the home pages of your social media platforms. And I'll also be coming live on Friday night Indian Standard Time at 10 p.m., which is for our American product iVaid, which will be around about 11:30 a.m. in the morning in the United States of America. I will be exclusively coming on Indus Viva INC Facebook page. Please do like and subscribe that page if you have not done. Please do that as well. So you can watch me live there on Friday nights as well, my dear friends. As I told you, every day I will be speaking about one interesting topic of our wellness product, followed by your question and answers. So please do start shooting me your questions right now. So in fact, I'll be answering the unanswered questions of the last week first, followed by this week's questions, my dear friends. I hope you got my point. So let me start this wonderful session of iPulse. So today I'm going to cover two important topics again. The first topic is again the immunity and COVID-19. The second important thing that I'm going to speak today is about the publication of iPulse that we have on our website. I hope you got my point clear. So let me start with the first point now. See, there are some wonderful researches which are happening around the world, across the globe, so far as the immunity is concerned. Because as I previously told you, and again I'm trying to repeat this point, all our Indus Viva products are frontline immune booster products. So please have this mantra imprinted in your brains from today actually. Only then the promotion becomes pretty easy for you. So the article that I'm going to speak to you today is one of the important researches which has been published in an online magazine called as The Print on June the 14th, 2020. The article goes something like this: why more men are dying due to COVID-19 and less women are dying. See, this is one important article because this is a scientifically proven article. The article clearly says the immunity cells which are present in women or the females are able to initiate a more active immune response, which might help the females to fight off the infectious diseases better than men. See, This is again not a biased kind of a topic that I am talking, but this is what a research, scientific research has proved today actually. This has come in an online blog called as The Print on June the 14th, 2020. So, because women have the hormones like estrogen, which is itself a very important antiviral and an antibacterial chemical which is secreted in their bodies, my dear friend. Similarly, they also have these immunity cells called as mast cells, which are more potent as compared to the men so far as the immune responses are concerned. So that is the reason why men are more succumbing to this disease as compared to the women, my dear Vivites. I hope you got my point clear. So this is one such important promotional tool that you can use it in the market as well, because this is a scientifically proven promotional tool what I'm trying to tell you. So going ahead, again, the concept of immunity has become a juggernaut these days. Actually, it is a very difficult nut to crack. So why I am telling you this point is, now in the United States of America, the scientists are now talking about the antibodies which are generated inside the bodies of people who have turned negative. So people would have turned positive first. After that, they would have turned negative. Because of turning negative, the antibodies would have developed in their bodies. Well, now serum therapies are happening in India also. It has happened in the Western countries also. But the results of it are not appreciable. Some people are getting out of the disease. Some people are in fact dying. They are succumbing to the disease. So only the antibodies, the generation of antibodies is not only sufficient for yourself to protect from the disease. That is why the scientists today are telling that always keep your body protected by the use of immuno booster products. Whenever your body is protected by the use of immune boosting products, automatically, even if the antibodies are less or more, it doesn't matter. Ultimately, your immunity will be protected. That is the main reason why. That is a reason we are telling that all our Indus Viva products are immune boosting products. So instead of resorting to various other chemical or synthetic things outside, always resort to our Indus Viva's products. So especially so when you resort to Indus Viva's products, so automatically you will not be your immunity status will be protected, and all the other kinds of diseases can be protected inside the human body, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So the next important thing is, the other important article I want to speak to you here is about the immunity and COVID-19 itself. See, I told you about one of the important articles which differentiates between men and women. The second article that I spoke was about the antibodies which are generated inside the body. The third article what I'm going to speak today is regarding the blood groups. Suppose if someone has a habit of reading newspapers, it has appeared in one of the newspapers on June the 12th. It is said that the blood groups and the COVID-19 also has a relationship actually. People with blood group O, the O positives or the O blood group, are less susceptible to COVID-19 infections as compared to the other blood groups. So this is again a research which has been published. It is not what I am trying to tell you. This is what one of the publications which has been made very recently, which actually relates this COVID-19 the antigens along with your blood groups, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, one of the other important articles which appears in the Hindustan Times on June the 13th, 2020 says that, again a very important thing which has happened very recently, the polio vaccine which is actually given to small kids below the 5 years of age. Polio vaccine also shows promise towards fighting out coronavirus 19. That is what the scientists are telling. It is again in the research phase. Nothing has been proved right now. So they are telling that especially the oral polio vaccine what the children are given are mainly consisting of live attenuated vaccines. These are nothing but the live organisms which are present inside the polio vaccine, which is actually helping out the human beings, which can help out the human beings to fight out other viruses. This is what the hypothesis, what the scientists have told. In fact, Indian scientists are working on this particular concept of trying out with the oral polio virus as well, my dear friends. See how the research across the globe is happening so far as the COVID-19 is concerned. But only one common point that everybody is actually speaking today, irrespective of what the viruses or the bacteria or whatever it is, I'll tell you one important thing. It is always your immunity which plays a very important role. Once your immunity is kept intact, once our immunity is kept over, it's protecting our body, nothing can afflict your body, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. This is what the final summary or the conclusion, what the scientists are telling across the world, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, immunity and COVID-19 again, there is something called as innate immunity. So which is the immunity which builds in your own body itself by the intake of dietary immunobooster products. This is also very important. As I previously told you, whenever a disease affects your body, your immune system becomes active. But your immune system is always in a very low state. It has to be triggered all the times. How to trigger it? It is always by the use of immune boosting supplements from outside. You can trigger your immunity, my dear friends. So that is how immune boosting products help you a lot in improving your immunity, and thereby they protect your bodies from dreadful diseases in future, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So the other important thing that I wanted to talk to you today is about the importance of antioxidants. So one more important article which has appeared in the Times of India in the month of May 2020, on 19th of May, this says that boosting our immunity is all dependent on the antioxidants that we are taking. See, again, I'm trying to relate the concept of immunity with antioxidants here. This is how you need to relate the concept of immunity with antioxidants. I hope you got my point. See, iPulse is a very good antioxidant product also. Please don't forget this, my dear friends. So, I'm trying to relate this immunity with antioxidants now. So, once the immunity is improved inside the body, it is only because of the intake of antioxidants. So, again, one of the major experts, a doctor in India, has told this particular point. Immunity means what? It is nothing but your well-being. Well-being. So well-being means it is not only your physical well-being, your mental well-being has to be proper, your social well-being has to be proper, your physical, mental, social, community well-being has to be proper. Ultimately, your financial well-being also has to be proper. Put together, your immunity is going to increase. See how the concept of wellness, the antioxidants and the immunity have been put together. This is what is exactly called as wellness products, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So nowadays, all the experts, the doctors across the world are resorting to this wonderful concept of wellness, which is relating to the immunity as well as the use of antioxidants, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, as I've told you, iPulse is a very important product which contains the richness of 15 antioxidant fruits. And in fact, doctors these days are also telling, even cardiologists for that matter, they are telling that people who are consuming a lot of fruits and vegetables as a part of their natural diet can definitely protect themselves against dreadful viral infections, can protect themselves against the cardiac diseases also. This was actually told by Dr. Reddy, who was a former head of Department of Cardiology in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. So what he clearly says, you have to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. But again, the question remains the same. Are we getting organic fruits and vegetables in the market? Absolutely not. And that is major reason why please consume 60 ml of iPulse a day. Automatically you will be getting 7,000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So this is how you need to correlate the concepts for the promotion of the products. I hope the points are clear. So let me continue. Again, antioxidants, when we talk of after the COVID-19 or during the lockdown or post-lockdown, when you think about it, the market for antioxidants are spiking up like anything. One of the major third-party reports, a third world report has, the business report has told that till 2025, the major antioxidants across the world, it might be acai berry, it might be your different kinds of berries, it might be resveratrol, it might be spirulina, all these things, the market is spiked up like anything. Most of the major players across the world are trying to include these supplements in their products. Only then the immunity status can be improved because their antioxidant capabilities are too high. You see how the relevance or the importance of antioxidants, which was absolutely very low before, has spiked up like this. And this is one of the best times that we have as a company, as Indus Viva Health Sciences. We have the best of the best antioxidant and immune booster products with us, which can help us out in mitigating these conditions, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, as you know, iPulse is a combination of 15 fruits, of which acai berry is one, remaining 14 fruits are there. iPulse is a very important formulation which contains the goodness of super fruits. As I told you, super fruits are not the common fruits. These are actually the fruits which have a lot of nutrition in them. That is why they are called as super fruits, my dear friends. So normally these words of superfruits are used by dietitians and nutrition scientists, where superfruits are considered as those fruits which have a high levels of antioxidants in them, my dear friends. That is why it is exactly called as superfruits. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, as I promised you, I will be discussing about our publication which is present on our website. If someone doesn't know what our publication is, please log into our product website, or you can also log into our indusviva.com website. From there, you click on the product, it will redirect you to the product website. Whenever you go to the product website, there is a tab on the top right top corner called as the validation tab. When you click on the validation tab, our publication on iPulse will open. This publication is actually a paper which is published, which is already present on the international journal on a domain, on a public domain. This is available. Anybody who is interested to see this paper, please click on the validation tab. You can download the PDF document of the paper, my dear friends. I would like to tell you the summary of what this paper is all about. See, the heading of the paper goes something like this: Role of iPulse, a polyherbal drink in the management of generalized weakness and post-operative convalescence, a randomized, double-blind and comparative clinical study. I am one of the authors of this paper. Along with me, there are two, one of the other doctors is there, and another psychologist is also there in the panel actually with us. So, this paper or the publication is actually telling you about the antioxidant benefit of this wonderful product iPulse, my dear friends. I'll tell you what exactly the paper tells you. What we normally do is, this was actually a trial which was carried out in one of the universities in South India called as the Kanchi University in Tamil Nadu. If someone is from Tamil Nadu watching here, they'll be understanding this, or anybody can Google this also. This is called as Kanchi University in Tamil Nadu, where there is a hospital. It is actually a government affiliated aided hospital where the trial, a clinical trial has been done on our product by experienced doctors. So what the trial has told us is, there were 30 people who were involved in this particular trial, 30 patients. The trial was on two important points. One is how the generalized weakness or the tiredness will go out of the body. The second thing, these were the people who were selected after their surgeries. For example, some people had undergone a liver transplant, some people have undergone an appendicectomy, some people have undergone the hernia. Such operations were done on these people. After that, iPulse was actually given to them in order to see how the people cured themselves with iPulse, especially the healing of the wounds and such things happened. Or the post-op, we call it as a convalescence. In medical terms, convalescence means the period of coping up after the operation. That is exactly called as convalescence, my dear friends. Here what we did was, 30 people were actually involved in this particular clinical trial, where two groups were actually made. One test drug called as iPulse was given. The second was a placebo. Both the groups were done in a trial. So they were actually involved in a clinical trial. So I'll just tell you what exactly the parameters which were assessed. All these things are available in the research publications. If someone is really interested in seeing this, please do download the paper on our website. You can read all these things in detail in that. So, but I'll be telling only the summary of this right now. Initially, the most important thing that was proved in the paper in that clinical trial was the safety of the product. Whenever we launch a product in the market, the first thing that we see is the safety of the product, not the benefit of the product. The first thing is always we have to prove that the product is safe for the human body. The second thing is the benefits which come out of the product. These are the two important things where the product is always beneficial. I hope you got my point clear. So, to continue ahead with this, parameters like edema, vomiting, itching, burning sensation, hyperpigmentation, hypopigmentation, these are some of the safety parameters which were assessed in the subjects or the patients, and ultimately it was proved in the paper that iPulse is a 100% safe product to be used on the human body. Again, I am trying to repeat the statement within the inverted commas. This is a very safe product, 100% safe product to be used on the human body. So this is a legitimate, a legal clinical trial which has been published on our website, my dear friends. The second part of it is the efficacy or the benefit of the product. So far as the benefit of the product was concerned, as I told you, most of these patients had undergone surgeries. Surgeries, as I told you, was appendicitis or hernia, such surgeries. After the surgery, how did iPulse help? How did iPulse help in overcoming the pains of the surgery? What exactly was assessed here was, the first thing was the liver parameters. Mainly the serum creatinine, the SGPT and the SGOT was assessed. The second thing is the weight of the human beings were assessed. The third thing is lethargy and well-being score was assessed. The fourth thing is pain at the incision site, which means that whenever the surgeon used to cut the, the stomach, there will be pain there. Even after the sutures are put, even after the sutures are removed, the pain will remain. So how did the pain reduce after the consumption of iPulse was seen? So after the consumption of iPulse, it was seen that the liver parameters became normal, the weight was managed, the laziness or the lethargy and the well-being increased, the pain reduced. The next thing was the recovery in the sense the healing of the wound. Whenever the surgeon cuts your body, the wound will be there for many days. But after the consumption of the iPulse, instead of the wound taking 30 days to cure, 15 days the wound was actually resolved. This was what exactly iPulse did in this particular study. I hope you got my point clear. So this is what exactly is called as a clinical trial, my dear friends. As you all know that I have also told it before, Indus Viva is having a very big program, a high budgeted program on doing the clinical trials and the preclinical trials of all our wellness products. This is only one research paper that I spoke of. In future, I will be speaking about each and every research paper on our product, my dear friends, which will give you more and more marketing benefits for marketing or promoting the product in the market. So a lot of benefits will be given to you, my dear friends, after each of these publications are published on the international journals. So you will have, now probably you have 26 benefits for iPulse. Once we have these clinical trials done, you will have hundreds of benefits of iPulse, my dear friends. I hope this point is clear to you all. So that is how iPulse has actually helped after the surgeries have been done. I hope my point is clear. If someone is interested to know about this paper, please log into our website ipulse.in. Please click on the validation tab. You will receive a PDF document which has our publications. You can take a printout. You can also discuss with your prospects and the downlines, and also discuss with doctors also if you want to, because this is a research paper which is written by the doctors themselves. I hope you got my point clear, my dear friends. So thank you very much for your patient listening. This is what a short topic of iPulse I had to speak today. Now this is a question answer time. So initially I'll be taking the questions which were given last week, so which were left unanswered, so followed by this week's question. So today my colleague Santoshini has collected the questions for me. So I'll be taking up the first question today from Mr. Shyam. This was a last week's question. iPulse is most suitable for blood pressure, low or high. Absolutely, it is suitable for both the kinds of blood pressure. But as I told you, for low blood pressure, it is always important to give iPulse 30 ml twice daily, half an hour after your food. This is for low blood pressure. I hope you got my point clear. The second question is from Asiya Mohammed. Can thyroid be completely cured with iPulse? Definitely, I am telling you, thyroid is again an endocrine problem. Always the variations will happen here with respect to T3, T4 and the TSH. So normally you have to consider iPulse as a generalized health supplement which can support your endocrine health only. Once your thyroid levels are falling down, you can visit your physicians or your doctors and get your dosage reduced for the medicines that you are taking, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. The third question that I am seeing here is from please explain me about ORAC. As I told you, ORAC is called as oxygen radical absorbance capacity assay. Whenever the process of oxidation happens in your body, oxidation can also happen when you inhale the oxygen. So whenever the oxidation happens, the next step is the liberation of free radicals. So what is ORAC score? Whenever you consume a product like iPulse, which has a ORAC score of 7000, when you consume 60 ml, whatever the radicals which are liberated in the body because of oxidation will be destroyed or neutralized. That is exactly called as ORAC value. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Revant. Sir, does iPulse can completely cure PCOD problem? Again, I am telling you, it is not a curative benefit. What I am trying to speak here, it is actually a prophylactic benefit, which means that it is a very good supportive product for all kinds of endocrine and gynecologic related issues, my dear friends. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Dimang Laki. Sir, which product can lower the blood pressure patient, iPulse or iCoffee? As I told you, you can give both the products, but I've told you that iPulse should be given half an hour after the food. That is a very important thing that you should know. So the next question that I'm seeing here is from Mr. Venkatamma. Ms. Venkatamma, how to use iPulse in a correct way? As I told you, especially for low blood pressure conditions, it is always half an hour after the food. Especially for the other conditions, it is always 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before your food, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing is from Praveen Kamboj. iPulse can be consumed chilled. I think it is all subjective. If you can keep it chilled, please keep it outside until it comes to the room temperature. Please then sir, you can use it. That is what my suggestion is. Suppose it can cause some kind of cold problems if it is directly consumed chilled. Better always keep it outside so that it comes to the room temperature. Then you can use it, my dear friend. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Saurabh Agarwal. So he is asking about, can iPulse be helpful in colitis? As I told you, again, colitis is an autoimmune disease. Autoimmune diseases are only controllable, only the product can support the condition and not cure the condition. I hope you got my point clear. So, the next question that I am seeing here is, sir, please answer my question. Is calcium deposit block can remove iPulse? As I told you, iPulse is not a product which can remove the calcium deposits, but it is a very good diuretic product which can help your urinary system to function better so that calcium deposits in the future days can be inhibited, can be regulated. That is what the importance of iPulse is all about, my dear friend. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Ms. Vandana. What preservatives are used in iPulse? A very good question. Why I am telling you this is, we have one preservative which is actually used in iPulse called as potassium sorbate. Sodium benzoate is removed in iPulse. Everybody should know this. Sodium benzoate is not there in iPulse. So, but potassium sorbate is a very mild preservative which is actually used in the product of iPulse. Potassium sorbate is used at a very low concentration of 0.02%. 0.02%, which is nothing but 20 mg per 100 ml. 20 mg per 100 ml, which is a very, very low dose, which is a dose which is allowed by the Government of India, Department of Ayush, only for the preservation purpose, and it does not have any side effects on the human body. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is, if thyroid levels get normal, shall we stop using iPulse? Again, I am trying to tell you the same point here. Once the thyroid levels get normal, it is always your responsibility to visit your physician first. Finally, cut down or taper down your medicine dose. Don't leave them at once. Taper down properly, gradually, and then you have to leave the product. Leave the the medicines or the product that you are using, my dear friend. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Pradeep Sharma. Can we add hot water in iPulse and consume it? Absolutely no. Please do not add hot water into iPulse. This can cause some problems in the product. Formulation wise, it is very incompatible to add hot water along with iPulse, my dear friend. I hope you got my point. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Thomas. Can we suggest iPulse and iCoffee for rheumatoid arthritis and kidney failure patients? Absolutely yes. Again, I am telling you, rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune condition and it will not be cured completely. It can only be a palliative condition, which means it can only be controlled or managed. It cannot be cured completely. Please be specific on this point and give iPulse only as a supportive product in such conditions, my dear friends. So the next question I'm seeing here is from Ms. Sandhya. I have high diabetes and I take tablets Ayurvedic also. What can I take? So you can definitely take iCoffee along with the products what you are consuming, because all our products are considered to be alternative products which can be safely taken along with the rest of the products whatever you are having, because our products do not pose side effects, my dear friend. So the next question is from Mr. Milind Bhende. He is asking a question. So can iPulse be given to a lady who is aged 45 years who has a knee replacement? Definitely yes, because iPulse is a very good product post surgery also. That was actually the publication that I was speaking today. Definitely please start 30 ml 2 times. It will have beneficial results, my dear friend. So the last question of the last week that I am seeing here is from Mr. Satish Bandi. He is asking a question, can we use iPulse for spinal disc problem, spinal cord disc issue? Absolutely. Again, I am trying to tell you, this is a neurological problem and iPulse is a very good product. You can suggest iPulse 30 ml 2 times for beneficial results in some of the neurological issues, my dear friends. So I am now taking up the next week's questions, that is today's questions. So the first question is from Ms. Isha Singhal. Is iPulse beneficial in calcium deficiency? See, one thing I want to make it clear, iPulse does not have calcium content as a whole. There are some fruits which are present in iPulse which inherently has some very low calcium content, because we have not formulated iPulse as a product which contains calcium. So as far as my suggestion goes, for calcium deficiency cases, iPulse might not be a suitable product. I hope my point is clear to you. So you can definitely use this for the neurological problems which comes because of calcium deficiency. Because whenever the calcium deficiency is there, you have a lot of pain which is happening in the body. For reducing those or relieving those pains, definitely iPulse can be used. I hope my point is clear. The next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Karthikeyan. For 7-year-old baby having thalassemia disease, what product can be given? See, as I told you, thalassemia again is a genetic disorder where the blood transfusions are a must most of the times. Well, iPulse can be used as a supportive product only. As I told you, there are lots of testimonials of iPulse where hemoglobin levels have improved. Definitely you can give iPulse in this condition at a rate of at a dose of 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before food is enough for this condition. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Sai Kalyan. While consuming iPulse, will blood cell generate? See, as I previously have told during the concept of antioxidants also, the cells in the body have their lifespan. The cells will always have a lifespan. Your RBCs will have a lifespan of 120 days. After that, the cells die by itself. This process is called as apoptosis. Each and every cell in the body will have an apoptotic death, which is a normal natural cell death. So it happens during the period of aging. By the consumption of immunomodulators and antioxidants, definitely you can cut down most of the the free radical induced damage inside the body, by which premature aging or the anti-aging property of the products can be made. Indirectly, I can say that the cell death or the health of the tissue can be improved. This is what exactly it means. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question is from Mr. Rupesh Kumar. Can we suggest iPulse to a patient with health issues like diabetes, stent in the heart, and water from the lungs has been removed and difficulty in walking? See, this is a multiple problem again. I would definitely suggest iPulse as a generalized health supplement only in this condition. Well, as the patient is diabetic, as I have told it many times, the dose of the iPulse must be 20 ml 2 times, half an hour before your food. Definitely this helps out in this condition. So thank you very much for that question. So I'm taking the next question from Mr. Gokul Nath. The person is actually having multiple problems like the jaundice, and there is swelling of the stomach. As I told you, for these multiple problems, this can be used as a generalized supplement. Definitely this can be used as a generalized supplement, but only in the chronic stages. Whenever there is an acute problem where there is severe pain involved, I always suggest you to consult your physician once before you take any other decision. Especially in a condition like jaundice with swelling of the stomach, the case might be hepatitis. Please have a discussion with your physician. If everything is normal in those scenarios, please you can use iPulse as a generalized health supplement product, 30 ml 2 times half an hour before your food. So enough antioxidants and immune boosters inside the body can definitely help you out in managing the conditions. So I'm taking the last question of the of today from Ms. Payal. Does iPulse have some herbs along with 15 fruits? Yes, a very good question again from Ms. Payal again. As I've been telling in Ayurveda also, Ayurveda is a product which contains the 4 Ayurvedic compositions along with the fruits, whereas iPulse is a formulation which has the goodness of fruits only. It does not have any herbs. I hope my point is clear, Ms. Payal. So thanks very much for posing your wonderful questions. Don't worry if your questions have been left unanswered today. I'll be able to take up your unanswered questions the next Monday again, followed by the fresh questions, my dear friends. Thank you very much for your patient watching, and I appreciate your participation in this wonderful Ask the Doctor Facebook Live series, my dear friend. I hope the questions, the flow of the questions will continue in the same way in the future days also. So thanks very much for patient watching. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training at Indus Viva Health Sciences Private Limited, Bangalore, signing off from the desk. Thank you very much for watching again. Have a nice day. Bye.